If you ever wondered how concrete is actually made, this is really, really cool. Check out ConcreteWorks. And what they do is they actually take pea stone, sand, and hot water, and they grind it down and mix it up with this. You'll see it in just a second. Watch this. Here it comes.
Be kind.
Please, be gentle.
It's not heavy.
The whole night take off and go to a retreat.
Well, that is pretty cool. For any of your concrete needs, check out my friend Jeremiah at the number on the truck. ConcreteWorks, Brickworks, they are fantastic. A lot of companies will rent the machinery. They own 4 of these trucks, and these things are $500,000 a piece. They're really invested in what they do to make sure they can control the quality, every aspect of the job, how the grind is, everything. And they really do a spectacular job. And you spend a little bit of money, but it's well worth it because you definitely know the quality that you're going to be getting. So they always say good things aren't cheap and cheap things aren't good. So if you want something really good, you can count on. Check out Brickworks and ConcreteWorks. That number right there. They are excellent. Thanks, gentlemen.